Resolving payment errors in SAP SuccessFactors can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a quick guide to help you troubleshoot and fix these issues. Step 1. Identify the error. Begin by reviewing the error message displayed in the system. This message often provides specific details about what went wrong, such as incorrect payment information or missing data. Step 2. Check payment configuration. Access the payment configuration settings in SAP SuccessFactors. Ensure that all required fields are correctly filled out and that the payment methods are set up according to your organization's policies. Step 3. Validate employee data. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed and breaches without people even realizing it. Use SRIP to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Review payroll processing. Examine the payroll processing logs for any issues that may have occurred during the payroll run. Look for warnings or errors that could affect payment calculations and rectify them as needed. Step 5. Test payment transactions. After making the necessary adjustments, run a test payment transaction to confirm that the issues have been resolved. Monitor the transaction closely to ensure it processes without errors. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve payment errors in SAP SuccessFactors and ensure smooth payroll operations.